Hey everyone, it's Riley with XKGLOW. Today, I'm excited to show you the easiest way to enhance both the style and safety of your side-by-side, Jeep, or any off-road vehicle. Let me introduce to you the XKmax Addressable RGBW Whip, a game changer in off-road lighting. We offer both 32-inch and 48-inch kits, but today we're going to take a closer look at the 32-inch whip. XKmax represents our 5th generation of app-controlled lighting, and it is packed with innovation. Built with high-quality RGBW LEDs, you get the best of both worlds: vivid, full-spectrum color-changing effects, and a super bright, pure white light, paired with Cobb technology that eliminates the traditional LED gaps to create a smooth and even glow. What really sets this whip apart is its addressable LED technology, which unlocks a wide range of advanced chasing patterns and animated lighting effects. And if you don't find the perfect look in the app, no problem. You can create your own custom themes to match your rig exactly. Sure, you can sync your lights to music, use your phone's camera to color match your setup, and so much more. But the most practical feature? That's the smart brake function. Simply tap the controller sensor wire to your brake signal, and your whip will instantly turn red when braking, no matter what color it's displaying. Running dual whips, you can also connect them to your turn signals for added visibility and real functionality. Our XKmax whips are built tough, featuring a machined aluminum base paired with a durable polycarbonate tube. They are designed to take a beating. These whips come with quick detach mount to make setup and teardown that much easier. And thanks to the upgraded XKmax connectors and a fully sealed construction, they boast an IP67 waterproof rating, meaning water, dust, and the elements are no match for these whips. So yes, these lights don't just look cool, they make sure you stay seen wherever your adventures take you. Let's get the flag mounted and install this whip on the Can-Am. Use the provided hardware to mount the flag to the whip. Then we will mount the base through a 1/2-inch hole and use the quick connect coupler to attach the whip. After the whip is mounted, we will run the extension wire from the whip to the XKmax controller. Connect the XKmax controller to your battery using the provided switch harness, then finally power the switch on and pair your phone to the controller, and these whips are ready to hit the trails. We also offer our XK hitch step, which is made to fit inside of a 2-inch hitch and offers a perfect dual whip mounting solution for your Jeep, truck, or any off-road vehicle with a hitch. These XKmax whips are available on our website, so head on over to xkglow.com to check them out.